By 2030, artificial intelligence will transform how millions of us work. Not someday, this decade. From factory floors to corner offices, AI will reshape tasks, teams, and timelines. Millions of jobs will be affected. But affected does not always mean eliminated. It means augmented. Faster decisions. Fewer rote tasks. New roles we haven't named yet. Every sector will feel it. Manufacturing, automated production lines, and predictive maintenance cut downtime. Machines schedule their own fixes. Logistics. Robots move goods. Humans handle exceptions and safety. Retail. Demand forecasting. Dynamic pricing. Personalized service. Offices. AI drafts reports. Summarizes meetings. Flags risks. What took hours becomes minutes. Healthcare. AI triage and imaging assist while clinicians stay in control. Construction. Site scans. Safety alerts. Smarter scheduling. Agriculture, precision planning and harvest guided by data. Finance, fraud detection and compliance at machine speed. Media, ideation accelerated, human taste decides. Everywhere the human role shifts upward. Routine, repetitive tasks decline. Oversight and judgment grow. Jobs unbundle into tasks, and many tasks are automatable. Creative work starts faster, still finished by people. Support shifts from scripts to empathy and problem solving. Detection automates. Decisions remain accountable. Personalization scales. Teaching stays human. Time saved becomes value created. The numbers. More tasks will be augmented than fully automated. By 2030, millions of roles will change shape. Reskilling demand will surge over the next 6 years. Displacement is real, but so is job creation. The risk is the skills gap. So how do we prepare? 1. Learn to prompt and partner with AI. Treat AI like a teammate, not a toy. 2. Double down on human strengths, judgment, communication, ethics. Skills machines amplify. People must own. 3. Build adaptability. Keep learning, keep shipping. Small steps every week compound. The question isn't if AI will reshape work. It's whether we will reshape ourselves.